Hi all, now I'm going to explain about how to create two chart type using parameter icons, using icon parameter actions. So suppose if I click on a line, it will show the line graph. If I click on a symbol, it will show the map. If I click on the bar, it is supposed to show the bar graph. So how we are going to achieve in this Tableau? So let's come into work on that. So first I'm going to create a three tabs in sheets. One is the bar, and here I'm going to create a bar chart using a one dimensional one measure. So I'm choosing subcategory and I'm changing the bar type as chart type as bar, and I'm putting sales on top of the size. So sort descending order and make it as entire view. Hide the field labels, and I would like to change my bar color as this one. Next, I'm going to create another chart as line. So line chart I'm taking on order date, and I would like to make it as a continuous, and I would like to see the sales for across the years with respect to segment. I may put it to segment onto the color. Now I got segment wise sales with respect to the year. This is the line one. Next, map. So so for map, I'm going to use on geography field state. Once I double click on the state, I'm getting symbol map. For better representation, I'm going to take filled map. I'm putting straight onto the color, and straight onto the label, and also I would like to see the sales of each state, so I'm putting it onto the label. Now we got three charts. Now I'm going to make it interactive to make interactive by using parameters. So I'm going to create a parameter. This is called global parameter. Select chart. So I'm going to use now string, taking the list. If I'm click bar, it should be a bar. If I am choosing line, it is line chart. If I am choosing map, it is map. So click on OK and show parameter. Before I would like to hide this code. I'm open the show parameter. So if I change anything, it's nothing change. So I would like to make it interactive. How can we achieve this? By using calculated field. So create a calculated field, chart type. See here I am using based on my selection. That's why I'm going to choose select chart here. Parameter. Apply. Okay. So suppose I make it as map and put chart type into the filter section and drag and drop into the filter section. Why I'm getting map? Because in my parameter I'm choosing map. Select apply. Okay. Now I'm going to change the parameter. Now it is line. My chart has been disappeared. Now go to the line chart, drag and drop chart into filter, line, apply. Okay. I'm going to hide this card. I'm, I'm going to open the parameter control. So here I'm going to choose bar. So my line chart disappear. Go to the bar chart, put the chart type into the filter, select bar, apply. Okay. So once after adding all these things, the parameters are working fine at individual level. Suppose if I move to dashboard level, how it looks like, so how it is working. Go to the dashboard. I'm making it as a default generic desktop browser size. I'm enabling now. I'm taking a container, is a horizontal container. In that I'm adding bar, and later line, side by side, and map. If you observe here, I got the parameter. Suppose if I choose line, I'm getting the line chart. To occupy the space for entire view, so I'm hiding the title, hide title, and also I'm going to make it as a floating. Now you can see if I choose bar, I'm getting bar because my line chart is having title. I'm hiding this, so now I'm seeing entire view of each chart. But my requirement is based on icon selection. Each chart is should supposed to play. To do that, I'm going to create iconic chart. So we are going to do that. I'm I'm taking min of one as three placeholders. I'm taking control and drag. You can choose another one. So I'm going to take three placeholder for three bar types and make it as chart type as shape and for each chart type I'm going to create one calculated field. So I'm going to create calculated field and make it as bar simply setting bar, right? Okay, again I'm going to create it for line, so make it as in within double quotes, making it as line. Same way I'm going to create for another one for map, like okay. Now I'm going to drag and drop each s- placeholder wise. My first placeholder is I would like to place it a bar graph. So recently I created a bar calculate field, drag and drop into the shape and go to the shape. I'm going to in the shape section I have bars. So in that I'm choosing this is the bar one, apply. Okay. Now we can observe here the bar symbol is came. Again for second one I'm going to make it as a line one. So drag and drop this line calculated field onto the shape. Go to the shape. For line, I'm going to choose arrows. So in that arrows, I'm going to take this upward arrow. Like okay. And for third one, I'm going to take map. So drag and drop the calculated field onto the shape. Double click on the shape icon, shape placeholder. I'm going to choose this symbol for map. These are the by default shapes available in Tableau. Now I'm going to remove all the tooltips. So tooltips are not required, and I'm going to format this to avoid. I'm going to hide the title, and I'm hiding the accesses and some of the formatting things. Like I am removing all the rows and columns, lines. So go to this section, row divider none. If you see, and also column divider should be none. I'm making off all the grid lines. So if you observe, still there are some more zero lines are removed. Now, so this size is too much small. So how I'm going to increase the size. So make it as entire view and go to the all section. Increase the size as much as you want. Now this looks better to me. So I'm making this chart type name as symbol. Go to the dashboard, drag and drop symbol on top of the chart. So I'm hiding the table. I'm making arrange, and also I'm enabling the dashboard title for the reference. So now if I click on chart, I have to get the bar. If I click on the bar one, if I get the bar. So how I am going to make it interactive? Go to dashboard, actions, add action, change parameter. Based on my symbol map selection, my parameter is select chart, give the current value and field is bar chart. Apply. Likewise, I have to create three change parameters for each chart type. So line, add action, again change parameter. I'm going to change select chart for map. Click on OK. Now click on line. Now we are getting the line. Click on map. We are getting map. Now you can observe the parameter. Whatever I choose here, the parameter values are getting changed. That is what we have given the change parameter values. Now it is no longer required. And another one here, if you see, if I click on any of the icon, the rest of icons are getting disabled. I would like to show all icons in highlighted way. Whichever icon I selected, a respective chart will populate. To make this, go to the symbol sheet, add create one. I'm creating one dummy column to make it happen. So I'm just giving dummy symbol, just type dummy. Like, okay, drag and drop this dummy onto the detail section. And tooltips, there should not be any tooltip. It looks ugly. So go to the dashboard. Now I'm going to apply the filter for that. Suppose if I choose line, so I'm getting that. So go to the dashboard, actions, add action, filter, select type symbol, source, add filter. From dummy column to target, you can give anything. Either you can use dummy or anything. Suppose I'm giving manufacturer and apply. Okay, choose select. Done. Okay. Now you can observe if I click on any of the icon, the rest of the chart icons are also available, making highlighted. And the recent version Tableau 2020.2, 2021.2.2, there is no required of this kind of dummy field is required. So you can disable this filter also. It will work out. I'm going to map based on this. Now I'm going to do the some formatting things. I'm removing all these placeholders, and I'm going to add the dashboard title as to chart type. by icon parameter action. So I make it as the center and make it as a bold and put it as the form of white color. Apply. Okay. So here format title. I'm going to take the dashboard shading on this color. I'm going to arrange. Go to the layout. I'm choosing this. Make it as all sides are 0. And also if I choose bar and select, make it as 1. Same way, make the arrangements for all the charts and also same for map. So this is what our requirement we achieved. The parameter actions based on iconic parameter actions. We can choose our chart type. That's all for this video. Please, if you like, please subscribe. Thank you.